follow her. They go drive her. Anywhere reach, they go beat her. I want beat her. Yeah, I bet you will no mind anything now. I will be able to you what. Me wait out there for Europe when not pay us rent. This one room winner for the 2 videos, so I they pay 400 every month. Feeding over there. But these people now women put them for house. Another woman, another man picking wet now they chop. It be like as woman born for me now I come out. The money where they pay my children, go take and they feed another man. Now this one they way they say they get woman for house. Now this one the way they say they get woman for house. All this one we go to talk for live video. Man wey woman put for us. When not they pay us rent. But time not they buy. Now baby money they buy. You go they touch him be traditional man. Una know what be traditional man. Una know what be traditional man. Man when not they come up for us January to December. Now be traditional man. So my sisters, I dey beg all of una around the globe. Any man who na put for us, we touch him be traditional, make una slap her. Make una slap her. If una don't slap the mama, can't tell me. I'll follow una beat her. Useless men. Small boys, where they call themselves men. All those small boys, where don't want to take work. If you see the other one, help women they talk say Benin men for Europe. Now those small boys where no one and they work. Farola they don't go. Beggar they don't go. Eh? They go follow single mother they drag money of Peking. How would you go to Buna you baby? How many kwemuna? Who are Zaga Bakmon? Who are Sungu? Eh? Make una play shower shop before I play the audio when I want to play. What play shower shop? Well, when you have fitter, you better get that so I go with one. Make them come up fitter for body. Well, when you have fitter, you better. I want to get the big woman when they put fitter for body. You want to talk to your follow my good set fitter. You want to talk to your follow my good set fitter put for face. Meaning you're not a man. You work woman put for us. See me now, not set fitter for face. Imam will fitter your face. On a young plan almost. When you fitter our women here. When I go put fitter, need that bad nyanya, well get the naton. I call the when I go put fitter for my body, I can't be like plantain with the roast. Who was that about more? Who was so? What walking? Our we are gbese no say e na ke mi na tie bola amaka tie bo ni ma bedu Atiti si okwe boro e na we sun ya na ekwe na mu wa aga se ni ori meni amase na e maso mase na ori ya uwa ba gbon mi wetana but you wey dey carry pikin dey go road go dey give your own wife wey born for you pass person with the cause. But my brother will not hear bona. Wait till my pastor. When I call down my pastor, may come preach and waiting Bible, waiting happen for inside Bible. May come tell you now. Talk about say you wait woman you're born for Ajepkako Ajebuwe. Pikin go dey cry for his house. You carry the pikin go road, go give the woman. The woman will give her breast. Not be say the woman bath before he give her breast. If your pikin, your mother tell that pikin will follow you play for this life before this life will finish. No one go good. Listen, when I tell you, Ajepkako, if you never know, that pikin, they're not good. You don't see that they're not even the ask of you, they're not they greet you. You carry pikin, the woman will go to her shower, will come pay you for months. You know they come up for us, we take the whole pikin for us, your whole pikin. If this woman tell the pikin, he tell all those pikin, they're not going to greet you for life. You need to be shame. You don't need to call the poor one for my mouth when I call they remember the word. When I call they tell the word. You don't need to come at one can they remember the word, made the picking, they made the year. I never trauma to your children. I first start to trauma yesterday to my children. Now start to trauma go, they give my papa. Say my papa don't last. Your papa last. You will papa when they buy papa the age of 36 years. Then they take by your papa. You did 2 years when they take on buy your papa for Gida Barak. You they tell my papa me when papa don't see my papa don't carry my grandson. I leave my pikin for my papa. I don't carry a grandson. My mother don't carry my grandson. Your papa don't know your grandson. He don't know your grandson. Talk about say me. We leave my pikin for his papa. He carry his own grandson. If my mama carry her own grandson, now you say now every person will not last. One of me will come. Why me why? Eh? Why not be foolish people will not get sense? Mommy, if you are sleeping, I leave you later. So, my people wanna come. He said, he talked for the video yesterday. He said, my papa don't last, my man don't last. Me will come up for us. I leave my own my pikin for my papa. I carry your own grandson. I come up for Nigeria. I leave my own grandson, my mama carry my son. My mama carry him. Now the person will not last. Your papa carry your own grandson Ajepkako. Eh? You come on live, you don't get what you want to talk. You the nya pata. Abi me weki. Na ke me mo na be weki a. When I be working here, oh well, momo, you will not go for a market. You dey carry pikin go dey give your own wife for road. Make the best freedom where they do a chawo. Person where they let cause support better pass you. Go inside Bible. I want the identity boy now. Me and to quote the verse in my way Bible. Identity. Me and read the verse. Me and where the pastor need to tell me. No do get born up boy. No do get when cause you juju with the worry you way you know better today. That woman, the cost when he swear for that glory. Now the popo you so. Now he am worry. Big man 500. Big man 500. No be pastor me. No be pastor me. Pastor don't tell me. No be pastor me. Pastor don't tell me. No don't tell me. No do go con we Bible. No where do go con we Bible. It may do line. One I look whether big by 500 for line. Because the pastor they go a place. May come quote Bible. No do get may come look the atrocity where you do at the ball. Woman go do a shower come. He will come pay you for house. You carry picking go a shower road. I want me this pastor come read down. The same way they borrow you for inside Bible when you say you be Christian. Proverbs, Proverbs 23. Eh? Is equal in no be pastor now? Is equal in no be pastor now? Is equal in no be pastor now? Is equal? You don't look at the take verse in no way. I'm better more than you. I better pass you Ajepkako. I better pass you. Well, fair plan. They know the carry for after if I don't finish the time when I not need the night they come they carry phone. Big man 500 for line. If I don't carry my phone one touch. If I don't carry my phone one touch. A Proverbs or ye Proverbs. A Proverbs 23. KYATA. No again. Person where they all do low cost pass for better pass you. Ajepkako. Sister, how do you cost the carry to come? Atiti si okwebore, yo. Atiti si okwebore, yo. My bello, Atiti si okwebore, ebokbowe. Amugbabati. Awe mugbabati. We babele na mugbabati no we akunu ya gon yo. Ewe no lo worry. Aba mo ebokbabati. Ti we wo ke ti mo fi ma mo ebo la jo ma be gan ni. Why I make it? Emila whom we want congbe. ama wu mi aya se ne bo o de ge ne kan pe gbe na iya se ne bo after na time me no they tell me I talk and come out, not be me for John like you they talk lie. Women, man wey women they do parlor, you know they shame. Woman put una for house, una call they shout for their parlor. Una know they shame. Woman put una for house, una they shout for the parlor. Eh, wait, una know they shame. What we are doing away, don't mumunoro. All those useless small boys waiting for Europe. That kind of life now and what man can live. One go stay for woman house. Me the boss now. You wanna wait. This number, I will get this number. Wait, they call me that deal. I will get the number. I don't see him. I don't see him. I don't see the number. I don't see the number. I don't see the number. We're picking the problem. We will pick it. Hello, my brother, my friend. What? A pastor on your record that going. Here we real life video. You know what? Don't we pastor when I didn't know the quote. Me only quote back to me. My Ajepkako ga mo bi you po mu ge obi e. Ona won ga mo bi you po. Ola mu ge wo kan. No be real life video. I'm only when Wahala. When allow live video when no do tie, no do tie fast, me no do get bolo pope. Okay, we see. Wa to me na mama we je be wa. E mo wo. Afia bo sagwero. Wa to off we. Abi pe no be we na ni ko fi yo wa na da fa wi pa lo ko na. E we ni do gbe yan agbe ye wo do so do mumu no reference. Eh? Homa, later. Eh? If I have the pity for the Isinya Kegbe, don't Mumu go come my platform, go change my topic. He go come my platform, go change my topic. Wait here, Ododo make Ododo carry course come out now with Tony Kabaka. Now don't Mumu change the topic for my hand. No change the but he never break with John Mumu come and resort himself. Man with the clap and follow him saying he be 002. You not claim glory of 001, you claim 002. That one I be man. That one I be. Sugusu na person wey Sugusu they take wood they beat up for our place. I just I feel look back Sugusu. Wait, okay. You know get sense. You no get sense. Man wey no get sense. I regret to follow man wey no get sense. Wey no dey calculate. I don't and it dey ask me before I follow the waka. But I dey quiet dey look them. I feel quiet dey look them, they talk. You get word for mouth. Sugusugu na filu gbegbe we man. You go dey call yourself now achawo you dey take and dey prat for I be sugusugu because achawo man wan wa the achawo dey for 10 years 12 years wey dey comot for us sugusugu ta filu gbegbe sugusugu aga bere sugusugu duna akwo ese kino se ama gbere we eya do gbo ya gbonran lucky nice, met on polo. He frustrate you way. They frustrate you don't mumu. I want my pastor come for preaching. Where pastor don't come just and don't come preaching before I talk to now. I dey repeat am again. Woman wey don't do a shower wey don't born for another man, not dey marry. The one wey don't do a shower wey never born for another man, I'll marry her. And woman wey don't born wey not do a shower, I go marry her. The one we don't do a shago, we don't go born for another man. E sin on for lelekian, we sin on lelekian. Ni ana do mujo wa. Make Proverbs 23, Make pastor come read them from there. Pastor Aribano don't hear me. You regret. You go regret. Don't please. You go regret what you make you marry woman with don't feel with don't do ashawo. You go regret today if I read that for you. If that pastor read that for you, we not the shame. If person not gonna give you sense, we not go the shame for his own house. Messiah of Facebook wa Messiah of Tinto. He wa gege. Atiti so kwabore. Atiti so kwabore yojo. Person with the lake cost upon better pass una. Man when lake cost to do he go return am. Oh salon boy gira but Jesus Christ not for life we go return our cause. Oh Jesus salon boy gira but no return on one of the Bible. The one when the cause where they follow now for side Bible. God not there for life we go return the cause. But I do our life we go return my cause tomorrow. Eh? Eh? A Proverbs 23. No what here no do here, mommy. He nick makes the war. Nick makes the war. We know you here, maybe no there. As he did the reader for me yesterday, one play one. It's not clear because where they yesterday not clear. I can't say today may go read them. You go call read them for me where. One fan and whether go see him. One fan. One fan. Prove that, you know, prove that. Prove that. Nigga there na home. Nigga there na home. Don't you hear woman way born for me. You hear woman way born for me. Ajepkako, you hear the woman way born for me. No, you go interview her. Now you go interview her. You hear what you talk? Who are saga about more? When you know where woman they feed. You know where good put fit up for body. Don't you know better person? You might wait till you feel wadi. Awa nene. Ne to prisi ya la luwe. Ekwe giwe bububu. Amu egi oyo eko amuwe. Amu egi oyo eko. We no love. Only you concern me. La video presenter si ya fe. Donc moment il concerne. Mais la video presenter. Only you concern me ya fe. Bari paloko. Mbuma put una for us. Una go dey shout every day. Una not dey shame. Una not say the word they look una say una be foolish people. But that go make one. No buy our video in paloko of vano. Why this street where our the street? Because anything when they talk, you know they come up with size there. For you to do for woman palo the shout, you go street go to do video. Is any go to prove that in it? Is any go to prove that it when only here when we prove that here when we make now we walk on worry we barrier. Holy Ghost Father, or mu wawa, thunder fire mu wawa. You make now when we
Prostitution is a tip. Now my phone are the
Mali, do that for me. Do that for
prostitution me. Is a deep pit. Is a deep pit. And a wayward wife.
You get it, and a pastor did that for me so. He said my phone they used it. I said they go read that for me where read that go bring a work out tell you now. Talk like say post. Acha wo no bia no kuya be no we adumu du wa ati wo kun we. A wayward woman when the Bible ya gie. More initiate. Ne do ya yo. More initiate. Ne do ya yo. Since na that condemn woman we don't for a woman we don't do asha we don't born for man. I mean one couple for us, another put for us is there. Imudowa. Oh, we gonna leni abungbe. Pastor Tieme.
And the wayward wife is a narrow well. The wayward wife is a narrow well. Prostitution just like a bandit that lays at wait.
Oh, where Boko Haram? I shall walk in Boko Haram. No let you are. They all can have a cap be an okia. All will be an okia with Bavary. Where do you are? When my shall bandit you are. I shall bandit when you want. I will you when I will die go make one shall bandit. No man can be an okia gari. No can be an okia. I will make your way. Oh, my dog in way. Oh, my dog in way. Who are me? Wow, Jenny question. Pastor go one. Pastor record that well for me again. May you know the way noise good day. Not the way noise good the way you take the corner for me. When I want to talk to all those small boys, we know what they do for Europe. I will bear with now. No Gualigoku. The priest they cried that they say they not give a lion. Because say a woman they give a no lion. If the fair woman we want to give a lion now. It not go work. How much be 250 euro? With the fair woman we want ni be 002. Make they call the give a lion. Wait till those women they find. In Aguale Kiakian. Now make this. The money where they don't give their husband for house. Your woman where you marry for us now, priest or way, and the day where you put for us. The money where they feed you, not they can feed the husband we born for. You not they can feed them. You see, come on, leave that man. Talk to us, say you. Where no will come on, leave you. Come look as Bible take describe them. You don't deliver that woman. Where delivered as my papa tell me. Either me way, where you do you know, or where Genya, Uta, don't that boy. Where you could live with. No cast a demon or roy benny. Or washawo or meme young. A Bible not the baby. Man with Bible me a quote in me. I don't know say that Bible but papa they quote for me. A pastor don't tear my energy and then I doing. Read that for me. Or when am I find the use? A pastor tear me now what am I? A pastor tear me now. So any woman we don't come Europe we deal with one man. Try to deal with that man. Try to bandage your Boko Haram waiting for your body. Try to win you with boy. All those ones we don't come, we don't go born for man. So come on, they are like a way. Oh, vous n'êtes pas là. Oh, there.
This way they go wait for people for road. That's what prostitution be.
Read them.
The multiple unfaithful men, not the faithful ones. I always say unfaithful men because there are some men that are still faithful. You understand? So the unfaithful men among them. Go forward and say, God forbid the involvement of prostitution.
Will God forbid the involvement or implication for Okpo, Ashawu, or what do you? Don't tell me, no matter bien no bien you wa. No can bien no bien we involvement in le here. No we are no we kian alone involvement, you know. We ask one lo we kian involvement, you know. All no so na mi ga Ashawu pa mi aya we mi agbon. The amawe ido you go ya koko walk pa wa me e to you go mo ya suffer e me respect me wa me ni ore mi e just nu ya gba sha na mo egbo area ni gbe 10 years ugbo mo egbo area uju wa we go malele were wo keke nu ugbo nko to nu pe ni no ya they accept gbegbe o wo kin egwe kin ugbo nko to ni you respect that man. Then you see the key who beg a queen no regbo piano. By the time we might respect to piano, we have your pop the valley, you have to leave. Don't tell me Bible. Damn you Bible. Christian wa wa you need to quote the Bible no wa. The Bible me here agbu wa.
Yes, no, but you
because God knows that the involvement of prostitution leads to
poverty.
The involvement of prostitution is a detrimental
Bible na me get detrimental omeme. Bible ya dia shawu we Bible omeme. We kina amu no ka bie no kpia na Ajepkako. O sa bo wa ri no wa bie no gbe ona amu we ki Nigeria re. Laziness wo ma nu yo bo una gbewu abebo. Ajepkako. Adazuwe. Negbe ma oko. Don't have involvement. I'm a work on where you are. Oh, we want that for you. We contribute to now, but that for you. Oh, morning we be now. Oh, you when you know piano. We will be when you know piano. You said the pikin where you born now. Say your care the work. Since 10 years, you not give that woman belly. Since 10 years, you not now pikin will carry come for the man house. Now you they call your pikin and not be your name. Dave. That's why when that this basic bomber. Yagbo Ajebo, Yagbo Hanwe. He come when we second journey of Mogopaki was too hot. Why would the battle? Then who got you know? You didn't hear from you already now. Then who got you second journey of Mogopaki? Anybody know why I'm no money? You have to stay clear away from me. You have to go where I reply or reply to who go away. I will not pity for anyone of you again. Yeah, more and what. I want to go make one. What we present us working. I want to go make one. When I came here, you money like you. When I got making noise in the street. When I got wah. I want to get like be my wah. But you marry lawa. Why you marry we marry mu wah lawa. When I go that okay now everybody the family to put me dancing at the better pass. I just want to cry where Ajepkako Igbo Agboku. Open away no my way without bear. Open away no my way without bear disgrace here. Thank you for Zugabet, social media not doing now. Everybody's afraid of social media because of their evil. Everybody changing, you are changing with the world. Thank you, Zugabet. Zugabet, thank you.
All the
to both men and women. It's just like they give man mental stress or they give man.
Oh, what shall we not yashawo you wa? Oh, what shall we mental problem way? The matter, or the boy at the vaccine or the vaccine. Then I'm a woku. Here we la diane. Here we la diane. Here we la dialea. Here we la dialea. Hello? Mo via la jawo wa here we la diale. Here we la diale. Ibe ya kunya la jawo wa le babala. Ibe kunya la diale gbe la yiyan. E don prison no me. Mugu oweme. Only we had to give where else to give me when I go free. When I pop on the move social media and what I go make one. When I pop on the look go a leader way. Monica a leader way. You remain under Monica. What I go make one will go move your when not that far very well, when you don't preach, don't mugu. Now woman palo now they do video they talk to me so come on fit for body. Mo fita igbere je ni ti o no hama no ta do no tama ni no do mo fita igbere ne gumege do mo fita igbere ne gumege do mo fita igbere ne do mugu gumege do mo fita igbere ne do mugu ge gumege yawe do mugu be saladia gumege do mo fita igbere ne gumege yawe do mugu saladia baba na ya ladia na gumege do mo fita igbere ne Oh, mama, filter, but they said to reply. Go and remove the filter, no more. Go and remove the filter. Odo mugu, esugusugu, ni mayipo gbe. Láàrẹ ni gbo ẹni popo yo àwọn esugusugu. Ima solo sugusugu. Ima ju popo solo sugusugu. Ima ju popo solo sugusugu. Ima ju popo solo sugusugu. Always spiritual again. Spiritual no man egbe. Ite gele like a boy ni. Oh no, that you bonya won. But my work person social media, I have void, they mark with my gui. Imakwe ni magui. E dede dan odo mu yo wa no ma ni gbe na. Odo season ma wo yi. O ma mo dede asawo no gbe asawo na bodo we ni lucky kai. Ona gbe message give me. I dare you. Well, come on filter for Facebook, come send that message we send again for me. Useless woman, asawo waiting for bodo. When you never enter that man life, me we cannot quarrel one day. You call the same message for me. Oh, where you for come? You know the fear face. How bad you are. That will punish that your head. That shall we condemn for Europe. Call the same message for me. Me with your husband there for the same platform. Quarrel happen. Where I talk and say, now this thing, now your husband caused the confusion. When that boy tell you reveal that secret for me. Me with that boy that the place is 1 year. He not tell me, he not reveal the secret for me. But your way your husband come that platform that day, now I throw Mark go that place. After we finish, he said these people don't do this kind of thing. Now make me come out. I explain now. When you're supposed to tell your husband, say, no, you did there, you can't do live video, say, me Atiti come out Mark for your family. What till your wife, your husband can't do for my platform yesterday? What he can't do? I should not pass your message to the world, say, me Atiti come on, me not talk. You know, since I don't call your platform, say, what you don't me can't do for my platform yesterday now? He won't come look me. Person way not good, neither they look. Person way they stay for one room, neither they look. And the worst part, he go there for your parlor where you not get. Woman parlor, he go they make noise. I'm not the type of that man, I'm not that kind of man. Go woman go poof. So, for you to chat for your parlor, woman parlor, they talk to me. Go street, go they do video, go talk to me. Don't move. More listen to Bible. More listen to Bible. Hello. You know they talk when I come out to you. So, more over this one. More look this woman. This yellow woman with it. Always this woman they come. I know the car come up. This woman they come loose. I know the car they come up. More listen what you want to talk now. Hello. Our woman was Vietnam. Who are we Miami now? I will live video presenter. I give you can I give say 10 years in a kid that stand like live video that what it take one. And whatever feeling over Jimmy Ola. You see mama baby go the carry baby go they look me. Why give say 10 years in a kid with the what it take one more let the 10 years before the country start to run live video to Atiti. We are watching part of it one day for that day. If mama give breast, they stress me and they look me. Titi. When I let the 10 years here give the started live video message to Atiti. Why give us a 10 years in a year, baby? And what's happening? What give about Jimmy? Baba now tell us where in about 6 years in or started live video message to Prophet Atiti. What your mama wanna what give you argument? What your mama wanna give you argument? Jabue. He has a boy domugu. He has a boy. Maybe why family Benaria. May involve I know they involve family general. I go the beat off and I not go involve with a family. When I not people will get power, not they carry family, you not going to draw another person family. You know, see the two of Nana they beat now that woman they laugh. That woman they laugh. It didn't make people go do who. Uwe ene. Iye wait time while you America with them disturb where we here. Nizo bo wa yore mo. Wa yore uti me. We on a problem. We say TV your man voice me and we wait I beg you later. Say TV your man voice me. Mo it was them you know where. Me a rien bi owe me wa so. Ya kama we you can say pe ismo abi ene. No go to Oregbo Yori. Sorry, mo disturb we couldn't be here. Every second city we. But we be here. We be here. America woman.
I go to where the confess on today. The mental happy already.
Maria Shako the grace for sweet. No water.
If not be man with Maria Shako, if not be drunker, it will be only go.
Yes, it's a link of a prostitution.
What am I? What am I? Ama we udo ya mwino kabie do piane. Uwo owe giti owo hungwe. Ezekiel not the Bible. Ezekiel the by John not the Bible. Ezekiel and John. When are the Bible eh? Jeremiah. When are we Bible eh? Isaac. Isaac, where are we Bible? Isaac, when are we Bible? Jeremiah, where are we Bible? Ezekiel, Job, where are we Bible? Everyone, great area. All manifesting there. Ezekiel. Jeremiah, when are we Bible? Get what when manifesting there. Ah, we pay ya can Daniel for we bo. Ya ke troka akara ya giri ame. Ekito bide ya giri. Ekito bide mate ekiti chiwawa. Ah, we ki we am ekwe do president gigi. Na amu dede ya oluwe ko e. Amu dede ori oluwe ko e. Beno ya yen we do president wa ri ame juwe ora mi no e. Ekwe na da we ekwe riwe ekogi kan. Oje ope no de ma no je degbe. Ope no de ma no je degbe ko kan ekogi kinpon. Eyo ge ko erije. Ya agwale ko emure ni mugu wa. Ya agwale ko emure. Man wey dey do video for woman parlor go come dey talk to me. Oya agbe. It didn't down in the Bible. Pastor preaching man. Pastor Gumegwan. Don't down here. It will not settle down. Because it will not settle down. No ya tie not tie the verse gume. Or tie or rekede gume. Need to ya hamuwa. Iman will you go webo. O no ka biene. No ka biene kuyawe. It didn't only ya because your deliverance can't deliver. Because Ugari show you walking to deliver. Wake swing a pet in Ashawoya Bashawoya Fe pet in only like of Rafileaqua, who pon only like Shasha worry. Equin on one luggage la wa. Okay, 20 naira buwe, Kaye, yeah, do Mona Shawuni. Upon your love your of Fileaqua, who gave us with deliverance. O paro me de na we ebu me do my ka bi we ebu. E property no me ya we sia ye kunu je wodo. E pet ni joni. Ma wi yan wa atore bus station Buhari bus station ya riye all la way stop. E pet di popo no joni de Bible for no mu yo file yakwa. They will start from now from square one. Even the deliverance asha wo ke pa. Even the deliverance asha wo ke pa. Ama we e pet no pia we ka we ke we when we mu adi we be the we be akere ku en. Boy. Oga 20 ro go mi oka ya dupo pet ne oka the pet o won wan ro no ga go rant we all day ah. Do the 1 week me. Or the 1 week me gba like 300 no we no adelukun. No ya sun. Even the deliverance asha wo ke sun. Ama we to na asha wo ya gbigbi abia. Iya ye mu eju nti today we are world ya we yam we traditional marriage me ya mu to ni ya gbigbi abia ya mu eju. We are praying for better society. We need to pray for better society. Or we be no affect to pe anonya we affect mu ashawo e padan otie. So wa me to nka ya gbashawo na na me plan to ka ya gbashawo uponu ga jo sigbe aja ya file kwa gege we no huni. Go and throw all of them away from your house. File kwa only the deliverance.
My pastor say I can't talk lie. My papa say I can't talk lie.
My papa tell me, you know what Bible talking now. Bible says I shall will lie, you go believe I shall will. My papa tell me, say I shall will told with me. My papa tell me say I shall will not be your friend. Doctor say with the one with don't go born for one man. Now you go tell you because it say you get wife. What kind of useless wife you get? If me want marry woman with do I not say I don't go marry you. I feel see that woman today I come up for live video, I not do live video again. But I never see the one with papa train. Ask my papa train me, he show me good character. I need that way papa train. Look on, more and listen. The woman go read, he go read the verse for me for Bible. Proverbs, he go read that. If you know say you feel read that now, go Proverbs 23. From there check on. Come read that for me. More and see the truth. We are here to liberate for our people. Not the woman. But we come up for another mask, go wear and come your house. Or well, before we take do a shower, they call wet and wave. You man wait to do a shower, you go see the wearer for inside your house. Come look as Bible take describe on. Before we take do a you might wait to do a shower. Where Bible condemns anything we come follow you come up for a showers. Does woman see where and go inside church? Woman will see where and go inside church. And you want to go pray for deliverance. Ajepkako, you say you get a shower for us when you marry, condemn woman when you marry. You don't do live. Me. Woman we don't for woman we don't do a shower we don't born for another man, not the marry am. I be carrying. If you never born for another man, go marry him. If you warrant, I'll come up for live video. Not this one why I shall call this for live. I just shall wait the Bible condemn. You go call it say go say the advice man. That's what comes down for live. That's how Bible condemn. They'll say that they do live video presentation. Hello, Baba. Hello. Oh yes. What? Oh, Baba. Oh yes, Baba. What?